Hello, we're at 1605 Clay, and this is apartment 14. Here we are coming in the front door of the apartment. It opens you up right into a large open concept living room kitchen combo. This apartment is on the 4th floor out of 5 in this building, and we're located in Uptown Oakland here on 16th Street at Clay. Okay, so here is a look at the kitchen. We have a European style fridge with the freezer on the bottom, a microwave, an electric glass top stove, dishwasher, and there is a disposal, double farm style sink, white subway tile backsplash, and we have butcher block countertops and lots of white cabinet space. Okay, and it's open to our living area. Okay, there is the breaker box for the unit, and here is the in-unit washer dryer. Also, there is the heater for the living room, and you'll see another heater in the bedroom. Okay, coming into the bathroom, you'll see more white subway tile in the shower surround here. Each unit in this building has on-demand hot water, so endless on-demand hot water system. Here is the exhaust fan, and there's a window, of course, for ventilation in the bathroom. Nice large bathroom sink and 2 drawers underneath for storage. And then tile floor here in the bathroom. Okay, passing into the bedroom. I'd say in this room, a full-size bed would be best. Okay, it has a huge closet. There's the heater for this room. So, sliding door on the closet. And the closet is as wide as the room is. So, nice big closet. I'll give you a look at that. Okay, and then there is space above as well. Okay, so that is a quick look at the apartment. Please go ahead and reach out. Happy to schedule an appointment, get you over here to see it in person. And please note that this building does have an optional off-site parking with a garage that is 2 blocks away. We're Clay and 16th. The optional parking is Clay and 14th. So just let me know if you need more info about that. And there is on-site bicycle storage here at the building. Okay? Thanks so much for watching.